Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. My name is Athar. Hope you guys are doing great. The shop that we are going to explore today is its Gopi Chicken Collection, and we have hosted their video in the past also with a very good response. The response was quite overwhelming. All right. So today also we are here with some new collection with new add-ons. All right. We will be showcasing some basic articles, some pure material articles, viscose articles. These are all designer articles basically. All right. And sir, over to you. Could you please introduce yourself and say something about your articles? What are you going to showcase today to our viewers? Can we get to know that from you, sir?
Sure. Welcome to Gopi Collection. We are manufacturer of chicken curry goods and product. We have experience of around 25 to 30 years in chicken curry products. Our manufacturing unit is located in Balaganj, and our sampling outlet is located in the Chowk area. You can visit that also, and you can directly contact us on the given numbers. We provide shipping all over the world, and we take customized orders as well, in which you have to give order of at least 100 pieces in each design. And our minimum order quantity per order is 50 pieces, in which you can mix match the patterns and designs. And so all the wholesalers, retailers, and the person who want to start their business can directly contact us and can place the orders.
That's nice, interesting. So without wasting much time, let's quickly explore Gopi Chicken Collection. So sir,
Sure.
moving on to the first article. So this is the first article in front of us.
This is short kurti. It is in the cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 180.
All right. Next.
This is also in the cotton fabric, and the work in the product is really fine work, and the price of the product is 185.
All right. Next.
Also in the cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 195.
All right. Next.
This is also in cotton fabric, and it has buttons, and the price of the product is 300.
And this is pure cotton, right?
Yeah, this is all pure cotton.
All right.
This pattern is also in the cotton fabric, and it has multi work all over the neck, and in the middle also it has booties, and it is in the cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 300.
All right. Next.
It is also in the cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 250.
Next. Another beautiful color.
Yeah, this is also in cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 250 as well.
Let me tell you viewers that these are pure handmade articles, no machine work. All right?
All are handwork.
Everything is handwork. All right. Next one. Now this is again a very beautiful article.
This
Sir?
pattern is also in the cotton fabric. It has really fine work, and this is called rose pattern, and it has booty work, and it is cotton fabric, pure cotton, and the price of the product is 300.
All right. All right. Next.
This pattern is also in the rose pattern. You can see all over the rose pattern, and it has rose pattern in the middle as well, and it is in cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 300.
All right.
And
Next.
it has very really fine work.
Fine work. All right. This one.
This is also in cotton, and it is white kurti, means in this only white color is available, and it has really fine work, and the price of the product is 300.
All right. Next.
Fabric, and it is called front open style.
Yes.
You can see front open style, and it has button, and it has all over the multi work. Multi-thread work, and it is really fine work, and the price of the product is 300.
All right. Next.
It is called Hakoba pattern. The fabric is called Hakoba cotton. You can see the pattern.
Shifly work.
Yeah, you can see the pattern. This is Hakoba. This is Hakoba cotton, and this is all chicken work. That multi work is all chicken work on the neck.
These are all multi-thread items.
Yeah, multi-thread item,
Yes.
and the price of the product is 450.
All right.
This is also the cotton pattern, and the work on this design is called computer work.
Computer
This
works.
is the part of the chicken curry as well, and it is really fine work. And this is called rose pattern, and the price of the product is 250.
All right. as sir had rightly mentioned in the very beginning during the introduction that they even accept customized orders. When we say customized orders, the minimum requirement is 100 pieces. All right. However, if you bulk buyers can place an order of minimum 50 pieces. So when there is no customization, only simple buying of available products, then the requirement is 50 pieces. Else, if you're going for customization, then it is 100 pieces. All right. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
All right.
And this is the dyeable cotton, and
All
this
right.
piece is dyed product.
Dyed
you can
product.
See the double shade work.
All right.
It is dark and it is light.
Yes. Yeah, dual tone actually.
Yeah,
you
it
can
is
say.
dual tone.
A slightly darker side and lighter shade.
Yeah. And the work is really fine, and
All
the
right.
price of the product is 380. And you can take also a set in this, in which this plazo is available.
Yes. Divider. We
Yeah.
can say.
Plazo is available,
Plazo.
and the full set price is 700.
All right. Right. Chali. What about this article?
This is in the voile cotton. The fabric
Voile.
used is voile cotton.
What do you mean by voile cotton? Is there
it
a
is-
mixture of cotton and some other?
Yeah, it is the mixture of the cotton and polyester cotton. So this is really good fabric, and the work done on this fabric is really fine. You can give the close up of that.
Yes.
It is really fine work.
Yes. Very beautiful. Very
Yeah.
cute article.
And the price of the product is 550.
Yes.
This is also in the voile cotton, and it has really fine work. And it has all over the neck work and the booty work.
Yes.
The price of the product is 600.
Yes. And if you have anything in your mind, you need any kind of customization, please feel free to approach them. They will certainly help you.
This is also in the voile cotton fabric, and this is full jal work, and the price of the product is 850.
All right. One more important announcement. Single piece buyers, please don't approach Gopi Chicken Collection, because they don't sell single piece. They don't sell to end customers. They only sell to bulk buyers. So this is very important, and the prices that are revealed in this video are purely wholesale prices, right? So these are not retail prices. These are pure and pure wholesale prices. Only and only bulk buyers can approach Gopi Chicken Collection. All right, moving on to the next article.
And is also in voile cotton, but this is anarkali pattern, and
Look at this. This
it
is
has really
anarkali.
fine work, and it has button on the neck.
Portly buttons.
Yeah, and it is called yoke pattern.
Yoke pattern.
Yeah, yoke pattern of in voile pattern, in voile cotton.
All right.
And the price of the product is 650.
All right. 2, 3.
So this pattern is in the georgette fabric. This is called gala booty georgette kurti, and you can see the work on the gala. This is really fine work, and all over the
Neckline,
booty.
yes.
Yeah, this is all called booty, and the price of the product is 330.
All right. Next article.
Also in the georgette fabric only, and this is called gala boota work. This is all the boota work. It is really fine. You can give a zoom out of that, and the price of the product is 350.
All right. Next article.
Georgette fabric. It is called gala booty daman work. This is all the daman work, and gala work and the booty work, and the price of the product is also 350. This is also in the georgette fabric, and it is in the rose pattern. This is all rose pattern, and the price of the product is 350.
All right. All right. Next.
Fabric used in this product is Catnic Georgette, which is the best quality of the Georgette fabric, and
Catnic.
Catnic fabric. The price of the product is 375.
All right.
So this is also in the Georgette fabric. It is called keel jal work. These all are the keel work. That's why it is called keel jal work, and it is in the multi thread work, and the price of the product is 400.
All right. Next article.
The fabric used is Hakoba Georgette. You can see this Hakoba pattern, in this, and
Alright.
the price of the product is 450.
All right.
This is also in the Georgette fabric, and it is in the panel work. This is panel work, full panel work, and the price of the product is 375.
All right.
Fabric used in this product is called 70 Georgette, and the price of the product is 330.
All right. Next.
Is in the Gotapatti work on the Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 450.
All right. Next.
It's also in the Georgette fabric. It is full jal work in the front, and the price of the product is 450.
All right. Next.
This is in the Hakoba Georgette fabric.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, and it has mirror work.
Yes.
This is called mirror work, and the price of the product is 500.
All right. Next.
It is in the modal fabric, which
Short
is
kurtis.
yeah, it is short kurti, and it is in the modal fabric, which is really soft fabric.
This can be worn on denims.
Yeah. This
Leggings,
can be worn on
yes.
the denims, and the work which is done on this fabric is really fine.
Yes.
And the price of the product is 500.
All right. Next.
Fabric used in this product is modal only, but it is in the printed work. So you can see print on the fabric, and then the chikankari work. It is also really fine work, and the price of the product is 800.
All right. Next.
In this product is also modal and fine embroidery, and the price of the product is 750.
All right. Next.
This is modal gown. Fabric is modal, and it is a gown pattern, and it is really fine work. The thread which is used is staple, which is really fine, and the price of the product is 1200.
All right.
This is malmal print fabric, and embroidery is really fine, and the price of the product is 550.
All right.
In product, the thread which is used is called staple thread.
Staple thread.
Yeah, it gives shine to the product.
Shine. Yes.
Yeah, this is gown pattern in the mull print, and the price of the product is 900.
All right. All right. Next.
Used. The fabric used in this is called Karina print.
Karina print.
Work done on this pattern is really fine.
Very
and
nice.
The price of the product is 800.
All right. Next. Look, viewers, this is simply beautiful article. White means, I mean, no words to express actually. White has its own charm actually. White and black and red.
Yeah,
in
this is
Lucknowi chikankari,
Angarkha pattern, and it
Angarkha
is
pattern.
dyeable to any color.
Dyeable to any
This
color.
is in the white, but
Dyed
it can
in
be
any
dyed
color, yes.
as per the demand, and it is the Dolby cotton fabric.
Dobby
Yeah,
cotton.
Dolby. You can see all the dots and
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
This is the
Self-weaved actually.
yeah.
All right.
And the price of the product is 1200.
All right. Next.
Also dyeable cotton fabric, and the price of the product is 750.
All right.
And it can be dyed to any color.
Very nice. Next.
It is also the dyeable fabric, and it is the sample of the dyed product.
Okay.
And
Initially it
is-
was white, huh?
Yeah, it was white, and it is dyed, and it is a gown pattern.
Gown
and
pattern.
the price of the product is 1000.
All right. Next.
This is also in the cotton fabric, cotton print, and the price of the product is 280.
All right. Next.
Georgette fabric.
Yes.
This is in the Georgette fabric, and it is called light anarkali, and the price of the product is 450.
All right. Next.
This is yoke pattern, and it is in the Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 600.
एक minute. Huh? Just hold on. All right. Next.
The Georgette anarkali pattern, it is in the front open style, and it has buttons, and the price of the product is 600.
All right. Next. What about this?
It is also an anarkali pattern, and it is called heavy anarkali because it has heavy work, and it is in the Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 700.
All right. Next.
It is called Chappan anarkali.
Okay. It has 56
Yeah,
kalis.
56 anarkali, 56 kali anarkali. Because it has 56 kalis That's why it is called 56 Kali Anarkali. And it is also in the Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 1000.
All right, next.
Georgette fabric, and the thread which is used in this product is resham work. You can see the thread is used resham, and it has shine. And the price of the product is 1500. It is full jal work. In the Georgette fabric and same resham work, and the price of the product is 1500. It is multi work.
All right, next.
Are available, but we are showing only one color. When you will contact us, we will share the
Because it is
all
not
the
possible to
colors.
cover entire shop due to time constraint.
Yeah. And it is anarkali pattern in the resham work. You can see all resham work. It has shine, and in the it is in the Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 1600.
All right, next.
Same resham work and in Georgette fabric, and same price 1600. It is in the multi work.
All right, next.
Pattern is on the Sattar Asar Georgette fabric, and the price of the product is 200, and it is the chikankari work, but it is called Ari work. It is the part of the chikankari, and price is 200.
All right, next.
This is called rayon fabric. The fabric used is rayon, and it is also in the Ari work, and the price of the product is 280.
All right.
This is also in cotton fabric, same Ari work all over the jal work, and the price of the product is 330.
All right, next article.
Work, Ari work and cotton fabric and panel work, and the price of the product is 330.
All right, next article.
This is also in full jal work, and this is also jali Ari work, and price of the product is 350.
All right, next.
This is called Kota fabric, and all this is all Ari work, and price of the
Ari
product
work,
is
let me be very specific,
350.
viewers. Ari work means machine work. This is not hand work. You know?
Yeah, this is
So-
machine work, but it is a part of chikankari only.
Yes. So they are trying to be very, transparent with you. This is not the handwork. Only the few articles are not handwork. These are all machine work actually. All right. Okay. Yes.
This is Hakoba cotton, and it is all Ari work, and price of the product is 425.
All right. Next article.
So full jal work in Ari work and in cotton fabric, and it has piping on the neck and on the sides.
Slits.
Yeah, slits, and price of the product is 350.
All right. Next article.
Set 6.
This is in rayon, right? The upcoming article, hai na? With Ari work.
Yeah, it is the rayon fabric, and it is a set.
Set.
It is a set of
You get a divider with this.
kurti and plazo,
All right.
and price is 600.
All right. Next. Yes. What do you have to say about this article, sir?
These all are premium range, and it is on the organza fabric, pure organza.
Organza.
Yeah, and it has really fine work. Along with that, it has Mukesh work as well, and it is a dyed product, and it is in the double shade. You can see
Dual
it is
shade,
dark,
yes.
yeah, and it is light. So it is a dyed product, and price is 1500.
All right. Next.
Pattern is really premium, and it is on the viscose fabric, and it has Mukesh work, buttons, and it is also dyed product, and price is 1500.
All right.
And
Next.
length of this product is 46.
All right. Next.
Available are 38 to 46.
Okay. So the sizes available are from 38 to 46 in all
46.
the articles.
Yeah. This is also in the viscose fabric.
Ring work.
Yeah, it is full jal work, Mukesh work, fardi work, and ring work.
What is fardi work?
Fardi work, this
Okay.
small
Okay.
dots.
Okay. Thread
Yeah.
work.
No, not thread work. This is small dots.
Acha, small
Of
dots.
golden-
that is
golden
called.
dots.
That is called
Yeah,
fardi work.
that is called fardi work.
All right.
And this is called ring work, and this is Mukesh work.
Mukesh work. All
And it is a full jal work, really fine
full
work.
jal work.
Yeah,
okay.
and it is also a dyed product. It can be dyed to any color as per requirement, and the price of the product is 2200.
All right. Next.
It is also in the viscose fabric, and it is called A-line kurti, or you can say a gown pattern. And the price of the product is 2500, and it has ring work, Mukesh work, and all fine work, and it is also a dyed product, and price is 2500.
All right, next.
Viscose fabric, all the premium range is mainly in the viscose fabric, and it has Mukesh work, Fardi work, and really fine work of chikankari, and it is called short anarkali because it is a anarkali pattern, but it is short. That's why we call that short anarkali in viscose fabric.
All right.
And price is 2500.
All right. This is very beautiful.
Yeah. It is a gown pattern in viscose fabric with Mukesh work, and it is also a dyed product, and it has dori here.
Adjustable dori.
Yeah, dori here, and price is 25.
String actually. This is adjustable string.
Yeah.
Which is used to adjust the fitting actually.
Yeah.
All right. Next
And
article.
price is 25.
All right. Next.
100. Also in the viscose fabric, it is in the front open style. See, front open style, and Mukesh work, and all fine work, and it is also dyed product, and price is 2500.
All right. Next.
So now we are showing all dupatta variety, and this is in the ring work pattern, chiffon fabric, and it is dyeable to any color.
All right.
It is ring work, and price is 275. And this is also in the chiffon fabric with Fardi work. This is Fardi work.
Fardi
And
work.
yeah, price is same, 275.
All right.
And this pattern is in the Gota Patti work. Gota Patti work, chiffon fabric, and price is 275. This is plain chiffon dupatta. Price is 150. And this is in the Malmal cotton fabric. It has chikankari work, all chikankari.
Is it dyeable?
Work. Yeah, it is dyeable.
Okay.
All the pattern which I am showing you are dyeable to any color.
So these are all dyeable dupattas, viewers.
Yeah.
All right.
And last one is in the pure viscose georgette fabric.
Pure viscose.
Yeah. And with Mukesh and ring work.
Beautiful.
And price is 1200.
All right.
All are dyeable to any color.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
So now we are exploring the saris. This sari is in the georgette fabric, and all fine work, tone to tone work, as well as a white work, and this is all fine work, and the price of this sari is 1350.
All right. Next.
This sari is also in the georgette fabric, and it is called lehenga sari, as it has all lehenga pattern like this.
Like this.
Yeah.
All right. So it's kind of a skirt look, huh?
Yeah, skirt look, lehenga pattern.
All right.
And price is 1850.
All right. Next. Here comes the full jal sari.
Yeah, this is called full jal work sari.
Very
And
elegant.
Yeah, it has really fine work.
Very true.
This full palla.
It's quite obvious actually. So nothing is hidden. It's full jal work sari.
Full jal work. This is palla, and all this is jal work.
This is the
Jal
border,
work, full
yes,
jal work.
Full jal. Full work sari
Yeah.
actually.
And price of the product is 3200.
All right. 3200.
Yeah.
All right. Next article.
All the product of the saris, but when customer will contact us, then we will share catalog of all the patterns of the
Very good.
saris.
Very good.
And this is in the on the viscose fabric.
Viscose.
Yeah, and it has all Mukesh work and really fine work of chikankari,
All right.
and price is 5000.
All right. Next.
And it is dyeable to any color.
Very nice.
All viscose to any color.
Coming up is organza sari.
Yeah, it is on the organza fabric, and it is
Organza
also
fabric,
to
yes.
it is also dyeable to any color, and it has Mukesh work as well.
Yes.
This is 5000.
All right. Next article. 3.
This
Yes.
sari is on the pure georgette fabric. This is
All
not
right.
viscose georgette. This is pure georgette,
Pure
and this is the best quality of the georgette.
Okay.
And it is full jal work sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and it is dyeable to any color.
All
you can
right.
see all the
I have
pattern.
zoomed it.
Yeah.
You can see in zoom mode, viewers. Look at the work, Mukesh work,
Mukesh work, Fardi work,
Fardi work.
and all chikankari work, and it is really fine work.
Yes.
And
Look at this.
price of the product is 22,000,
Okay.
and it is dyeable to any color.
So it includes blouse piece as well?
Yeah, blouse
Does it
piece is
include?
also available.
All right. Look at the
This
blouse piece. It has sleeve pattern
Yeah, this
over
is
here.
the sleeve pattern.
All right.
So blouse fabric is also included in the sari.
All right.
Also pure Georgette sari, full jal work. This is another pattern, and same price 22,000, and it is also really nice pattern, and it has really fine work. You can see.
Very nice. And what is the price?
Same 22,000
All right.
and dyeable to any color.
Okay. Next. Okay. इसके बारे में बताइए कुछ.
So now we are starting in the suit pieces, and this is on the Kota fabric, transparent fabric, and the price of the product is 1200, and it has really fine work.
All right. What is the cost?
1200.
Next. All right. इसके बारे में बताइए.
This is on the pure viscose Georgette fabric, and the fabric which is used in pure viscose Georgette is of 75 gram, and it has all chikankari work without any add-on like Mukesh or Gotapatti work, only chikankari work, and the price of the product is 2500, and it is dyeable to any color.
All right. Next. What about this?
This is dyeable cotton fabric, mull cotton fabric, and it has Farsi work. All
Look
the
at this Farsi work, viewers. I'm
Yeah.
Zooming it for you. Yes.
the Farsi work is done by the Resham work. Means the thread used in this is of Resham, and it is full
Alright.
jal work, and it is 3-piece. Means it has bottom and kurti and this chiffon dupatta, and price is 2500, and it is dyeable to any color.
All right. Next.
This is on the viscose fabric, pure viscose Georgette fabric, with Farsi gala work, and the gala work is of Resham work, and price is 3500, and it is dyeable to any color.
All right. All right. Next.
The dyed product of pure viscose Georgette, and it is a 2-piece kurti, and dupatta fabric is there in this, and it is a sample of dyed product, and the price of the product is 3200. It has Mukesh work and everything, and it has really fine work, and it is to be noted that we provide stitching also, like the parties which we which contact from foreign countries, they don't have stitching facilities there. That's why we provide stitching as well. Extra cost is added for that.
All right. Yes. What about this?
This is on the Gota pattern, Gota Patti pattern, same on the pure viscose Georgette, and it is on the dual tone, means it is dark and light, double shade. It is called double shade, and price of the product is 3200. It is a dyed product.
Chaliye, next.
So we are showing some samples of dyed product,
All right.
and here catalog of dye chart,
All right.
and you can choose the color from that, and we will get it dyed.
Good.
This is also on the pure viscose Georgette, and it has all poth work. That
Poth
this
work.
is, yeah, this is called pearl work or poth work, and mirror work, and it has really fine work, and all thread which is used is of Resham.
All right.
The brown color thread is of Resham work. The price of the product is 3500, and it is dyeable to any color.
All right. Next.
It is also on the pure viscose Georgette fabric, and it has really fine work and all Resham work, this multi work of resham work and gota patti work and this mirror work.
Yes.
Yeah, and it has really fine work and good looking product, and
Resham
it is
thread
dyed. It can be dyed to any color as per your requirement.
All right.
And price of the product is 3500.
All right. Next.
All two piece means it has kurti fabric and as well as dupatta fabric.
All right. Now this comes with real mirror, and what is this work called? This is poth work, no?
Yeah, this is called poth work.
All right. Poth means you have,
Mirror.
pearls
These are mirror.
Mirror.
Small mirrors.
Yes, and chicken curry.
Yeah, chicken curry, and this
Trust me, viewers,
mirror
this looks
work.
very beautiful. Huh? Poth work articles looks very elegant.
resham thread is also used in this. Like
Yes.
this is the resham thread.
Yes, I can see. We can all see that.
Yeah.
It's very good.
It gives shine to the product, and
Okay.
it can be dyed to any color.
All right.
The price is 3500.
3500. All right. Next.
This is on the pure viscose, pure organza georgette, pure organza fabric, and
Yes, I am. See, look at it in zoom mode, viewers. Look at this. This is simply very elegant, and look at the border line. Amazing, and this has sequence work. All right.
it is on pure organza.
Yeah, pure
and-
organza.
Yeah, pure organza.
All right.
And pearl work. This is all pearl work,
Uh-huh.
and multi thread is also used in this, and it is dyeable to any color. And
Alright.
it is a premium product.
Next.
Price is 3500.
All right. Next. वो इधर नहीं ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
This product is also on the pure organza
Uh-huh.
and ring work, mukesh work, and all this
Neckline.
gala work.
Yeah,
Gala work.
neckline. This has Mukesh, na?
Yeah, no, mukesh and ring, combination of both.
Okay. Look, this is simply beautiful, huh?
And price is same 3500.
Pure and pure handwork.
Yeah, pure and pure handwork.
All right. Next.
As I have said earlier, we provide stitching also for the suit pieces, as there are many foreign parties who are not able to get it stitched, so that's why we provide stitching for that.
Yes.
So we are showing some samples for that. Like
So yes. Can you open this for us? Yes.
stitching is available in different designs as per the requirement of the party.
All right. But then stitching is chargeable.
Yeah, chargeable.
All
It
right.
depends on the design, pattern of the design.
Depends on the design.
And this is the dupatta.
All right.
So
With all four side taping, but this
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
additional, huh?
yeah,
viewers?
this is additional, and it was the requirement of the party. So whatever design will be given by the party, we will get it that stitched.
All right.
But extra cost will be added for that.
All right.
This is another product.
But what about national clients? Suppose if clients within India wants you to, stitch some articles.
See, mostly national clients don't want stitching facility,
Okay.
but most of the foreign parties need stitching facility.
right.
That's why we are providing for the foreign clients mainly.
All
But if any party from India, if they want, we can provide stitching for them also.
Amazing. Okay. Next.
So now we are showing anarkali pattern. This is anarkali pattern on the pure viscose georgette, and it has really fine work, ring work, mukesh work, furdi work, all type of work. And this is the dupatta.
What is the price of this?
Price of the product is 7500,
All
and
right.
it is dyeable to any color
All right.
as per the
Dyeing
requirement
charges
of the party.
extra.
Yeah, dyeing charges are extra.
All right. Next.
The product which I have shown dyed, so in that price is included, and the products which are
Okay, so
in
you have
white.
dyed products also. For
Yeah,
that
we have
there is
shown
no.
some samples. So the prices I have told earlier.
But then if somebody wants to change that color, then it's chargeable.
Yeah, it is chargeable.
All right.
This is the another pattern
ये
of
इधर
the
रखना,
anarkali.
ये इधर रखना बाद में. ये वाला ये अभी होने के बाद. हाँ?
The price.
Yes, look at this beautiful article, very gorgeous with mirror work and sequence work, and it has so many things on the fabric,
Yeah,
so much
it
of
is,
work.
It is on the
Gota
pure
work.
viscose georgette, and it has mirror work, gota patti work, This is the resham thread, and pearl is used. All these are pearl work. So it is a really premium product. And this is the dupatta.
Dupatta. All right.
And price of the product is 8,500.
All right. Next. How about this?
This is also on the pure viscose georgette and dyeable to any color. It has mirror work. This mirror and all pearl work. Sorry, this is pearl work and this is mirror work, and it has really fine work. And price of the product is 8,500.
All right. Amazing. Look at this, viewers. This is simply mind-blowing, very mesmerizing. I'm falling short of adjectives. So please go for this. Grab this. Actually, this is very beautiful.
It is also on the pure viscose georgette, and this is all resham work and pearl work, goda patti work, mirror work. This is also pearl work and
stone work.
Yeah, stone and all pearl work. And the price of the product is 10,000.
All right. This comes with the dupatta.
Yeah, this is the dupatta.
All right. Beautiful.
And all are dyeable to any color.
This is simply mind-blowing.
And these products are also stretchable as per the requirement of the party.
All right. Next. This is so colorful. All right. Very nice.
This is also on the pure viscose georgette, full resham work. All the multi work is of resham work, and this is mirror work, goda patti work. Different type of works are there.
Although this is dyeable, but I would suggest just go for without dyeing, because this
when the product will be dyed.
Yes.
Yeah, when the product will be dyed, the colors, these all colors will remain same. And the price of the product is 12,000.
12,000. All right. Next. All right.
This is the lehenga pattern, and this is the skirt of the lehenga, and it is on the pure viscose georgette. Now I will show you the dupatta and choli.
Okay, so all three, huh?
This is the dupatta. All fine work with mukesh and ring work and furdi work.
Okay.
And it has choli as well. This is the choli.
This is the choli.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And
beautiful
the price,
work of art.
Yeah, price of the product is 18,000,
right.
And it is also dyeable to any color, and it is also stretchable if party wants.
All right. Next. What about this?
This is also on the pure viscose georgette with gota patti and mirror work. It is really heavy, and it is also dyeable to any color. And this is the dupatta and choli.
Dupatta and choli.
This is the dupatta.
All right.
And on the back it has choli.
Choli. Okay. Okay.
So the price of the product is 18,000.
All right. Next. Yes.
This is also on the pure viscose georgette with pearl work. This is all pearl work. This pattern is mainly on the pearl and mirror, and the price is same, 18,000. And this is the dupatta, full heavy dupatta of mirror and pearl.
All right.
And this is the choli on the back.
All right.
This is the choli. So
beautiful.
Price is 18,000.
All right. Next. All right. This one.
This is also on the pure viscose georgette.
This
full resham work.
Yes.
Full resham work and gota patti and mirror work.
I think most of the articles are equally beautiful.
This is the dupatta.
Equally beautiful. Yes. And this
is
the
choli.
Choli. Choli means upper part, yog, na? Blouse part. All right.
And the price of the product is 20,000.
20,000. All right. Next.
This is also lehenga and skirt of the lehenga, and this is on the pure georgette.
All
This is
right.
not pure viscose georgette. This is pure georgette, and this is the dupatta of the lehenga.
All right.
Full heavy work, and this is the choli,
All right.
and price is 25,000.
25,000. All right. What about this?
This is also another pattern of lehenga. This is the skirt of the lehenga. This is also on the pure georgette, not viscose. This is on the pure georgette, and this is the dupatta of the lehenga.
Amazing.
Full heavy work of Mukesh, and this is the choli.
All right.
Really fine work, and the
Wonderful.
price is 25,000.
All right. Thank you so much, sir,
Welcome.
for showcasing so many different type of Lucknowi chikankari articles. Hope viewers, this episode would have been quite informative for you. So I request both our domestic clients and international clients to please approach Gopi Chicken Collection and ask for your your favorite stuff or article.
Shipping is
Whatever.
available all over the
Shipping
world.
is available to any corner of the world, okay, and there is no COD option as well.
Yeah.
As such,
All online payments.
all online payments and
we provide tracking and all details when your
Details.
product is shipped.
yes, and somehow if you're not getting any reply on WhatsApp, be patient, because what
We
happens
will
is
revert
once the-
back to
yeah,
every customer
Yeah, because-
whoever will contact us.
Yes, because once the video is hosted on the channel, so there is a lot of traffic. So it's not possible for the shop owner to get back to you on immediate basis, right?
Yeah.
They might take some time, but they will certainly answer your queries. All right.
Yeah.
So do you have to say anything before we wind up?
I will like to invite all the foreign clients as well as the clients
Domestic
from
clients,
India. Yeah.
yes.
So I will invite all of the wholesalers, retailers, and the person who want to start their business. They can contact us
Yes,
and place
definitely.
their orders. They can take a screenshot from the video and share with us, and they can place their order. And when they will contact us, we will share catalog as well, and they can place their order from that also.
Very
and so I will like to invite all the peoples who want to do the business of the chicken curry, and I will like to thank Athav ji who have
Thank you so
made
much.
the video and helping us to
Really grow.
explore all the chicken curry
Okay.
all over the world.
Very nice. So thank you so much,
Welcome.
sir, and thank you all my dear viewers, my Metro Height family.